If you're running Facebook ads and don't have an AI chatbot on your website, you are leaving so much money on the table. I'm going to show you a case study here of a company that I run ads for, and it's a supplement company with over 100 different products. And what they were having to deal with is so many inbound phone calls and emails and DMs asking all these questions. And they were kind of repetitive, but they're also like very technical questions. People would say, I have this health concern, very complex questions. And sometimes it was even hard for her staff to answer them without significant training. But because we incorporated this AI chatbot, the amount of calls that come into her office and all of these questions have significantly gone down. Her conversion rates on her website are higher, and we are even able to track the ROAS went from 7 one month to 9 the next month. Covered that in a video. It's called 3 Secrets to Scaling Facebook Ads. Otherwise, what I want to do today is just show you a few conversations that it's having with customers, and you can tell me if you think that sale would have still happened if they didn't get their questions answered. And even if they would have got their questions answered by a human, that costs a lot of man hours, and that is very expensive for businesses. And if you have all these people that are going to your website right now, a lot of them that have questions don't even email you. They just leave, okay? The fact that you don't have a chat support on your website that can instantly answer their question, it just makes a lot of them not buy. Check out the answers that these things give. Just so you know how the chatbot works, it trains itself off of your website. So it reads every page of your website, and then it's powered by ChatGPT, and you know how well ChatGPT works by now. It will be answering customer questions pretty damn near perfect. So let's just check out a few situations. This person asked, why does the methylation kit help with the 3-month cleanse? Basically, just so you know, this is just something that people can add on to their 3-month cleanse to make it more effective, and then it answers the question. Great. It gave them the answer, so now they know why they would even want to add on that product. This person had a very complicated question. I have leukemia, fibro Raynaud's, and hypothyroid and keloid scarring on my intestinal tract, malabsorption and peristalsis. I don't even know what she's saying, right? This is why it's like, you could train an employee that is highly skilled to understand this stuff, or you could just employ an AI chatbot that can learn this stuff by accessing everything on the internet. And look at the answer that it gave. That's quite a lot to manage. While nothing can replace medical advice from your healthcare provider, we do have supplements that might help support your overall wellness. Immune support. Boom. Here's 2 things. Digestive health. This is what you can use. Given the complexity of your conditions, booking a call with, this is the person that they can consult with still. This business now sells $100 consulting calls, which is great, right? The bot can handle all the questions for free, and if they still need to talk to a person, it's $100, and a bunch of them love doing that still. So it gave them the link to book an appointment for $100 as well. What is the cheapest supplement I can take for the cancer? I'm a retired nurse's aide. I would recommend this tea for this much, and then it gave the answer. Here's another complicated issue. Hello, I have fibromyalgia, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to read it all, but you guys can pause this video if you want. Like, the answers it gives are insane. Look, that sounds perfect. Thank you. Like, if you're getting responses like this, what is the chances that that customer then bought something, then had this conversation never happened? And the main thing that I love is that it gets bigger orders because it always is suggesting a few more products. So because I told it to, right? Like I told it to suggest 2 or 3 products every time, but no more. I don't want to bombard people. So this person asked about ADHD. So it recommends the 2 products that are absolutely perfect for it to be recommending. I'm going to give it a thumbs up here. And this video is not going to be showing you how to do the chatbot, but just so you can see, the process for training it is so easy. You just click thumbs up or thumbs down and then correct it. And I also have a lot more examples screenshotted in the link that I will put in the description. So if you guys are liking what you're seeing here, what does it cost to get an AI chatbot custom built for you and put on your site? Most people would charge you at least $1,000, more likely $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for a custom AI chatbot to put on your website. The good news is it doesn't need to be that expensive. It just is worth that much. So those people can get away with it. The good news is You guys can build your own custom AI chatbot in less than 1 hour with my new ProBots course and software. So this ProBots program right here, the light version of it is $49 per month. And then you get 125 free messages every month with that program. You get the entire course that walks you through how to set this up. So within 1 hour, you will be able to have a live chatbot on your website and really increase the ROAS of your Facebook ads. If you are just running your own ads and you don't have any chat support on your website, this is a key to how I run employee-less businesses, because you can go on socialbamboo.com or you can go on my probots.ai website and you can mess with the bots that I've built for my companies, and you can see just how much time they are saving me and how many more appointments they book for me as well. So this is just a random e-commerce bot. If I would go over to my Social Bamboo website, let's just go to a random conversation here and let's see what we got. This person said, "Hi Derek, is the Facebook ads coaching program still available?" It said, "Hi Adam, yes, the Facebook ads coaching program is still available. It costs $7.50 a month. You can find all the details here." Boom, and then it gave them this link for someone to buy my coaching program. This is great that this conversation happened, right? So regardless if you're a coach, if you're an e-commerce, having this chatbot on your website is the name of the game in 2024 moving forward to cut employee costs, but also drive sales conversion and average order value. This is the single best thing that you can be doing. So the great news is it's $49 a month. However, you get a 14-day free trial. So you don't have to spend anything right now. Put this on your website for 14 days for free. If you don't love it, then cancel it, of course. But otherwise, go down to the description, get the free ProBots trial, and try this out for yourself. There's a reason why I've put all my eggs in this basket, and it's because this has been getting my clients such better results and saving so much hours of employee labor. So check it out. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram at Derek Videll, and I will see you in the next video.